Tommy V in Michigan. He was on fire this morning.
Okay, thank you, Tommy V in Michigan. Yes, sir. If you share my prayers.
Tommy V's on. Yeah, we'll jump over there.
Tommy V doing great stuff over there.
Mr. Andrews, you could, once again, my ability to write things down where I can read them is gone. Two folks.
Harris.
On our second docket? Yes, got it.
Yes. And then the Rio Juarez on the same document.
Yes.
So the last name on the.
Yeah, got him,
So those are the two,
along with the
medical people.
medical. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
All right. Same time, I'm gonna be talking to you guys, telling you these things. I will be doing some scribbling down of things. Oh. Keep as patient as you can be. Also, remember, you are going to have the opportunity to use the telephone after this setting. An opportunity to call lawyer, family, whatever. I am not going to tell anyone whether or not they are going to receive a personal bond. I'm not going to tell you that at this time. About 2 hours, you will have figured it out, because you'll either be headed toward the exit or you won't. I do that to keep people from getting upset with each other. We're all in the same boat right now. And kind of needs to stay that way until we're out of here. You're all back up there and starting to move toward where you need to be. Okay. Starting off, Mr. Bird, Rodney Bird, Mr. Bird. Sir, you are charged with criminal mischief. Now, this is on a warrant issued back on May 15. And be something occurring before that. This is out of Justice Court Precinct 5. And the bail in that matter is set at $2,500. Sir, do you ask for the court appointment of a lawyer?
Yes.
Mr. Clark?
Sir.
Mr. Clark. Sir, you've got a family violence matter, Class A misdemeanor. You also have a Class C over at the municipal court. That Class C is a traffic matter, driving without insurance on January 24, 2022, a ticket. Now, I'm going to release you on this with a court date. Okay?
So.
If you show up over there on that court date, you'll be able to talk to a prosecutor, see what you can work out, see if you decide to try the case or not.
So.
If you don't show up, another warrant comes out, you find yourself back over here at some point. And they'll send you all sorts of silly notices about, oh, we're gonna send you a warrant, yeah, and if people don't listen to them. Sir?
Yes, sir, I'm listening to you, my brother.
Well, that's good. Sure didn't look like it. You need to pay attention to those things that come in in case you can head off the warrants. Yeah? All right,
Would that give me the information on,
you'll be getting something on your way up. Now, if that is after a while, court date may be gone, but don't worry about it. Show up over there Monday through Thursday, mornings and afternoons. We have a judge available, prosecutor available, everybody but you guys available. So show up and you'll be able to take care of it.
so,
Then, sir, there is the family violence matter I spoke of. That's third-degree felony, assault causing bodily injury, supposedly strangulation. Bail set in that one at $12,000. In that case, should you be released on any kind of bail, you'd have no contact with the alleged victim. There's also an emergency protection order, which is a more limited time order with regard to the protection of Antoinette Carter, the alleged victim. You're not to commit any act of family violence or any stalking with regard to her. You're not to communicate any threats or harassment to her, any member of her household or family. You are not to have any contact with her or any communication with her, except through your lawyer or someone appointed by the court. Also, you should stay 200 yards away from one. If you have articles of clothing or other things you need over there, you need to ask someone else to go by and pick them up. You're not supposed to go there during that period of time, and I have not told you the period of time, now until midnight, July 25.
sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thomas Baker?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Baker, thank you, sir. Mr. Baker, you are charged, sir, with the Class A misdemeanor, resisting arrest, search, or transportation. That, sir, in that one, bail has been set at $6,000. Do you ask for the court appointment of a lawyer, sir?
No.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Johnson, Jeremiah Johnson, sir. You are charged with the second-degree felony charge of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, a family violence matter. Bail in that case is set at $30,000. 30,000.
Well,
Your bail set at 30,000. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Now, do you request a court appointment of a lawyer, sir? Okay, is that lawyer hired or appointed? Okay, sir. What I'm going to do is note a request. That way, when they look in the file, they will see that you already have that lawyer, and I suspect they will appoint that lawyer again. Understood, sir? Thank you. Now, sir, there is an emergency protection order with regard to this thing. And let's see. That one is for the protection of Mrs. Baham. And it requires that you not commit any act of family violence or any stalking with regard to her. that you do not communicate any threats or harassment to her, any member of the household or family, or go within 200 yards of Lazy Creek Drive here in Austin. This is a limited time order, sir. Runs from now until midnight on 25 August. Thank you, sir. Good luck. Mrs. Mondell? Ms. Mondell? You've got a assault, bodily injury, and a criminal trespass, which are both county court cases, but you also have a municipal court case back May 2 last year, driving without insurance. In that one, ma'am, you're going to be released to go to court on your own. I told the other person, even if you're here longer than that thing gets set, show up over there because you can deal with it without getting arrested. Let me say this, it's as long as there's nothing else out there. Okay, now, ma'am, the other matter is an assault causing bodily injury, class A misdemeanor. Bail set at 10,000 in that case. And the criminal trespass, class B misdemeanor, bail set at 3,000. There is an emergency protection order with regard to Mr. Aranda. It is a limited time order and runs from now till July 25th, midnight on that date. Not to commit any act of family violence or any stalking with regard to him, communicating threats or harassment to him, any member of the household or family, or communicate in any manner with him except through your lawyer or someone appointed by the court. The place to which you're not supposed to go and stay 200 yards away from is 14608 Thunderhead Road here in Austin. You will get a copy of that, ma'am, and I do ask that you sign it. Thank you. Mr. Contreras? Mr. Contreras? Sir? You're charged with assault, family violence, with having a previous conviction for that type of offense. That brings it to be a third-degree felony. Bail is set at 20,000 in that case, and you are to have no contact with the alleged victim. Do you ask for the court appointment of a lawyer, sir? Okay. Thank you. Now, sir, you also have some class C misdemeanors. These are traffic. They go back clean to 2018. Each one of them, December 17, 2018. The others in 2019. In these, you will be released to go to court on your own. Either show up on the date that they send you, that they give you when you leave here, or if that's time's already gone by, go over to the municipal courthouse. Yes. Monday through Thursday, mornings and afternoons, just like I've told others. You do that, you'll be all right. Yes. If not, Nope. They will issue warrants. Mr. Fanning. Fanning. Sir, you are charged with driving while intoxicated, a Class B misdemeanor. Bail in that case is set at $3,000. Do you request the court appointment of a lawyer, sir?
If I do, and my family wants to do, let's say going outside, can I do that?
I can't hear you.
If I say yes, can I switch to a different lawyer?
Oh, that's okay. That,
Yes, sir.
just put the two lawyers together, they'll figure it out. Warren, seen phone ring on? Hello, ladies. Or maybe it's a guy, I'm sorry. But Lauren Rendon?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, listen, ma'am, you're charged with possession of controlled substance, second degree felony offense.
So that's fine.
I beg your pardon. What is your name?
Vincent, I surrender.
Yep,
Yeah.
ma'am. Ma'am, you're here on a warrant for a second degree felony, possession of controlled substance. Like I said, it does not mean that you are going to be convicted of this thing, but it does mean you're charged with
They said they treated me while I was here and
it.
everything.
Speak up.
Said they treated me while I was here.
You asked for the court appointment of a lawyer? Are you able to hire a lawyer? Do you have the money to hire a lawyer? Okay, in which case you're requesting one, right?
Security.
Okay, now the bail in the case, ma'am, is set at $20,000.
It's not to go back to myself, sir. That's all. I just had it since I did.
Ma'am,
I just had it at work.
knock it off. We are not discussing that at this time.
Not inappropriate, I'm just injured.
I told you what you've been charged. I told you what your bail is. There it is.
Don't tell me what my bond and my bail is.
Have a seat. Mr. Freeman? Freeman, sir. You are charged with possession of a controlled substance, it being fentanyl. Bail set, sir, at $30,000 in the second degree felony. You request a court appointment of a lawyer.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Albert Sanchez. Mr. Sanchez, out of Bastrop County. You've got a warrant in the district court over there with regard to a PWI with a child in the vehicle. This apparently is a failure to appear, and there is no bail in the case. Judge over there will either set it or not. Do you ask for the court appointment of a lawyer, sir? Thank you, sir. Jason Sparks?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Sparks, sir, you have a charge, Class B misdemeanor theft. Essentially, this was a Class C, but they are claiming that you had a prior conviction for theft. Bail is set in the matter at $5,000. You ask for the court appointment of a lawyer, sir?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. Rodney Bird, ma'am, you are charged with a Class B misdemeanor, driving while intoxicated. Check on something here. Bail is set at $3,000 in that case. Do you request the court appointment of a lawyer? Thank you. Colin Wright. Mr. Wright, sir, You are charged with driving while intoxicated, a Class B misdemeanor. Bail is set in that case at $3,000. Do you ask for the court appointment of a lawyer, sir? Thank you, sir. Mr. Ali?
He's on the medical.
Oh, I'm sorry. There we go. Thanks. Don Garcia?
Present, sir.
Thank you, sir. Sir, you're charged with driving while intoxicated, a Class A misdemeanor. Bail set in that at $15,000. And claiming it's a second offense. You're to have a vehicle ignition interlock placed on your vehicle within 30 days of any release on bail. Also, if you are released on bail before you go, you're going to have a secure, continuous, remote alcohol monitor placed on you. Do you ask for the court appointment of a lawyer in this case?
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Ms. Hicks? Thank you, Ms. Hicks. Ma'am, you are charged with a Class A misdemeanor of assault, family violence. Bail is set at $5,000. You're to have no contact with the alleged victim while this case is going on. Do you ask for the court appointment of a lawyer in this matter, ma'am? Thank you. Mr. Shad? Sir? You're charged with family violence. Except injury to an elderly person, a family violence matter. Makes it a third-degree felony. Bail set at $12,000. You ask for the court appointment of a lawyer?
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Now, sir, there is an emergency protection order with regard to protection of Mr. Antoine Massad.
Yeah, that's why.
Yeah, I know. And you're not to commit any act of family violence or any stalking with regard to him. You're not to communicate any threats or harassment to him or any member of his household or family, or go within 200 yards of 1837 Friarsdale Lane during the period of this order, sir, which is from now until midnight. Let me make sure, on July 25. Do you ask
Sorry.
the court appointment of a lawyer?
Yes, sir, please.
Okay, thank you. Indeed.